to my channel. My name is Tae Meshon, and today I will be doing a New Year's Eve look. I use this palette, y'all. This palette is the truth, okay? You get eyeshadow over here, turn it over, you get eyeshadow over here. And this is, I want to say, SHAANXO. I don't know, I just butchered the name, but listen, this palette is the truth. I did my eyes with this palette, okay? This palette is lit. But yeah, I'm about to go enjoy my New Year's Eve with some family and friends. I hope everybody have a safe New Year's. Everybody, you know, just be careful out there, because y'all know for New Year's everybody is turning up, trying to get it in, because I know I'm about to. So just everybody be safe. But yeah, I just did this look. I wanted to do something with glitter, of course, because it's New Year's. Duh, you gotta do something with glitter. So so this is the look I did, and y'all stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. Oh, and before I go, y'all, I love me some press-ons, okay? Listen, if you don't know that about me right now, I love press-ons. These are press-ons. I don't know the name of the box that it came in, but they are like coffin shaped. Look, y'all, look. Look, I'm not flicking you out, but just look at these nails. Like, yes, honey, these are press-ons. It's all about press-ons right now, okay? Press-ons is winning. Press-ons are winning. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this look, and yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm using this Black Radiance Continuous Color Pigment, and it's in the color Gold. That's how that looks. And I'm going to just get a little bit, and you know, we're going to go right under that brow bone, because it's New Year's Eve, and we're going to be extra. We're going all out today, okay? We're going all out, all out. So now that my brow bone is highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyes so I can get into this makeup. Y'all, it is 4:44, and I have to start my makeup now. Because, listen, I take forever to do my makeup sometimes. And we have to drive 2 hours to where my aunt lives for the the New Year's Eve party. So yeah, I have to go ahead and start now so we can get there on time. So I'm just going to spray my brush a little and then blend this out. So I'm going to go in, hold up. Let me smooth this back out, because I didn't set my eyelids with powder. I don't want to set them with powder. I just want to have the concealer on there. So the first color I'm going in with is this color. It's called Bestie. Now this color is like it's like a nude pink. That's the perfect way to explain it. It's like a nude pink. It's not really, it's this color. It's not really coming off like how I'm saying. It look more beige than anything right now, but this is a nude. It's like a nude pink, and it's pretty. It's like, it's a nice transition color, so I'm gonna use that color to transition. So now that I'm finished with that transition color Bestie that I use, I'm going to go in with this color called Stalker. This color. Now after I add that color, I'm going to just keep going back and forth and blending this out with the first color, just so that second color stalker doesn't overpower the first transition color bestie. Alright, so now that I'm finished with that color stalker, I'm going to intensify the look a bit more, and I'm going to use this color called Vampette. And this one, it's like a really dark burgundy. Oh, this color is like really creamy. Alright, BH, come through, BH Cosmetics.
SOBProduction.com.
Alright, so I'm going to go back with that color stalker and blend out the Vampette, the dark burgundy, the one I just laid down, and then the color above that one. Okay, I'm done with that. I think that looks pretty good. I am going to, I think I'm going to do a cut crease. I don't know what I'm thinking about doing this cut crease today, but I think I want to do a cut crease because I want to use this glitter. I don't know if I want to use this one or this one. I think this one.
SOBProduction.com.
Alright, with my outer corner, I'm going to go back in with that Vampette that I used, was the last color that I used in my cut crease. So I'm going to go on the outer edge, my outer view with Vampette. Right. This color. But your girl makeup is looking good. Listen, what's up?